Hey there YouTube, good afternoon. I wanted to show you guys all my latest purchase, which I picked up on Friday. This is a vintage Delta joiner planer. It's antique. I got it for $12.50. It was originally marked $25, but I went during the first half off day and I got it for $12.50. Works good. I couldn't beat the price for $12.50, half off. It has good knives, but they need to be adjusted. This guard needs to be lubricated too. It does not go all the way back to the fence sometimes. It's a little sticky. It sits on a wood base. I originally thought this was a metal base, but it's a wood base. Whoever made this base did a really good job with all the angles and stuff. The legs are stove legs, old stove legs, metal stove legs, and the motor mount is a combination of metal and wood. The motor itself sits on wood, but the mount itself for the motor is metal. And it's got a chip deflector, so all the wood chips fly out of here instead of going all over the place. What I don't like is this plug and cord setup. It's got an old plug in there. I sort of want to change that out, and you plug an extension cord into it. Delta. The in-feed and the out-feed tables, they're a little stiff when you try to adjust them. The mechanisms inside need to be lubricated. And here's what the other side looks like. There's a small pulley right here for the cutter, and there's a long belt which connects to the motor with another pulley. I originally wanted a joiner for a while, and I was trying to find one for a decent price, either scrap or free, and I got this for $12.50. Not bad. And I'll give you guys a demonstration. Works good. Has a little bugs, but I'll get those worked out. Not a bad deal for $12.50. And that concludes this video. Bye.